So I'm really excited to hear that GCode has come out with an ISO protein. I use this every day post-workout, sometimes twice a day. So I do 2 scoops of whey isolate. This is chocolate, peanut butter, cookies, and cream. It's phenomenal. Post-workout, I like a pure whey isolate, so I'm going 50 grams of fuel with 80 grams of cream of rice. It has about 50 to 65 grams of carbs, and I'll do anywhere from 70 to 90 grams of cream of rice and 50 grams of whey protein post-workout and pre-workout. So sometimes I'll be doing this meal twice a day. Really quick, really good, and a staple in my diet every day.